Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve minimum number of games from the weekly contest 377. So if you are watching this video, I think that you are new to the programming, and don't worry. If you solve the problems consistently, you will become better at it. Now, if you see this and if you try to implement what exactly he is saying, then it becomes a bit tough. It becomes tough. So that's why here in this problem we will get to know the importance of algorithms. So first we will understand the problem. Here you are given a zero indexed integer array numbers of even length, and there is an also empty array. Alice and Bob decide to play a game wherein every round Alice and Bob will do one move. The rules of the games are as follow. Every round, first Alice will remove the minimum element. He will take the minimum element. So in this, my minimum element is T, 2. So my Alice will take 2. And Bob will minimum element from, and the Bob does the same. Bob will take 3. Now first Bob will append the removed element in the array. First Bob will keep 3. This is my array. Bob will keep 3 and then 2. Now the game continues until nums becomes empty. First Bob will keep, then the Alice will keep. Okay, 3, 2. Next we have minimum 4. Alice will take 4, Bob will take 5, but Bob will keep first 5 comma 4. Yes, you got this. And if you are new and if you don't know about the algorithms, uh, then you will say, okay, I will take the minimum from this element and I will try to use an visited array where I will make it visited, and every time I will calculate the minimum. Two minimums I will take and I will append into the array and I will make visited as 1. Every time you do that, yeah, it will work. It will work with order of n square time complexity. It's true, but can we do it in a better way? Now, if you do in that way also, it will work because the time complex here it is given constants as 100. Definitely, it will work, but that is not a good practice. We can say we can optimize these things. So, if you see here, suppose consider we have 6 elements. First, we are keeping second minimum, then we are keeping first minimum, then we are keeping fourth minimum, then the third minimum, then sixth, and then fifth. If you observe carefully here, if you observe it, if we sort 6 elements, and if we swap first 2 elements and the next 2 elements and the next 2 elements, then my array is ready, right? Suppose we have 6 elements and we are sorting, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This consider this as the first minimum. Now, if you swap these two, then these two, then these two, then my answer is ready, right? That's it. If you see and if you sort it, it's working. So in this way, if you have elements, you should try to visualize the things, then you can solve it very easily. Now code is pretty simple. We will sort in order of n into log n, and we will swap v of I and v of I plus 1. So I think you understood it. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider to like, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.